here in support of us. She came on very short notice, so please give her a round of applause for coming on short notice.
Member of Parliament Rahi and Victoria.
First, thank you so much. It is an honor to be here on the homelands of the Lekwungen speaking peoples of the Songhees and Esquimalt nations, and it's an honor for me to hear your stories. I am your representative in Ottawa, and so I need to be your voice in Parliament, and I am learning. And you have my commitment that I will learn more, that I will work with anyone here today to bring your voice to Ottawa so that we can make change. It is unacceptable that a 12-year-old girl is beaten. It's unacceptable that we see the kind of injustice and oppression. It's unacceptable to lose the lives of family members who did nothing but stand up for their rights. And I would just want to end, thank you everyone here who showed up today. Showing up makes a difference. It means that I learn about what is happening. The reason I became a member of Parliament is so that I can address injustice, and I can only do that when I hear from you. And I want to give a big thank you to the organizers, and please just join me in giving them a round of applause. Thank you so much.